Hello, I am Dr. Shailaja, consultant obstetrician and gynecologist at Sri Krishna Clinic, JP Nagar, Bangalore. Lactational Amenorrhea Method is natural short contraceptive method. 3 criteria are there for this lactational amenorrhea method. First is up to 6 months following delivery. Second is exclusive breastfeeding, no top feeds, no feeding the baby with water also, and no pacifiers, and no long gaps between the feeds. It should not be more than 4 hours gap during day and more than 6 hours gap in the night. And the third criteria is periods have not come back. All 3 criteria should be met. Then only this lactational amenorrhea method is effective. It is effective to the extent of 98%. Why this acts as a contraception? During breastfeeding, there is a hormone called prolactin which is released that suppresses the ovulation. That is the reason they do not conceive. So, but beyond 6 months, or if they have started top feeds, if they have got their periods, they cannot rely on lactational amenorrhea method. They have to use effective contraception.